Did you know Windows 11 is quietly keeping a running log of your every single thing you copy? That means your passwords, private messages, and personal data are being stored right now without you recognize it. But don't panic. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to find this hidden setting and turn it off for good in less than 2 minutes. Let's get into it. Go to search. In search, type clipboard settings. Click on clipboard settings. Here you will find clipboard history. Save multiple items to your clipboard. Press Windows logo key and V to view your clipboard history and paste it. Press Windows key and V and you will find all your copied text, images, passwords, everything here in clipboard history. Because the clipboard history is turned on here. Just turn off clipboard history and then you will find here clear clipboard data. Click on clear clipboard data, press Windows key and V. You will find nothing in the clipboard history and it's prompt you to turn clipboard history on. In this way, you can prevent Windows to record everything you copy on your Windows 11 computer.